In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the Discord account on iPhone. It's going to be a basic tutorial guide. So ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you right now. Now open your Discord app, right? If you love to delete your account on Discord, the very first thing you need to do is to delete all your Discord servers, right? Then once you're done, you're going to transfer the ownership, right? If there's some communities you love to transfer the ownership on Discord, you're going to transfer the ownership to the people, right? So you cannot delete your Discord account without transferring ownership to the servers you are, right? Or the servers you created. So at first, transfer the ownerships, right? Click on this, click on settings, click on account. If you scroll down now, you're going to see delete account, right? If you click on delete account, this is what I told you earlier, right? In order to delete or disable your account, you must first transfer ownership to all servers that you own, right? So do this, you can do this to your brothers, to your friends, to your family, anybody, right? Once you are done, you're going to be given the option to enter your password, right? Then once you enter it, you're going to click on the delete account. You're going to delete your account. This I can do this. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I'll see you in the next video.